Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode today. I'm going to go back to Calgary and meet up with my little chihuahua Mookie. And we're going to get some takeout and I'm going to take it back to my tiki bar. So check that out. Take my mushrooms too.
You open those?
Yeah. Pick out the mushrooms. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.